Hi, everyone. This is Jeff LaMont with Coldwell Banker Realty. I have been selling homes on the San Mateo Peninsula for the past 40 years. I'm thrilled to introduce you to this lovely property at 1616 Arch Street, located in the San Mateo neighborhood of Parkside. The property features an extensively remodeled kitchen with quartz countertops, custom cabinets with the soft close feature, all Viking appliances, hardwood floors throughout, new paint inside and out. Both the bathrooms have been remodeled, and it's in great condition. Backyard has been nicely landscaped as well. I'm thrilled to have you come and take a look. Please reach out to me and be happy to give you a private showing. Thanks so much. Don't miss out on your chance to own this lovely, extensively remodeled home located in San Mateo, California. Please text me or call me and I can set up a private showing for you. I can't wait to show you the home and answer any questions that you might have. Thanks so much.